Hey guys, welcome to Broverse. My name is Tarun. This is just general share advice, not personal share advice. Today we'll be looking at Square takeover offer for Afterpay. So let's get into it. First, we'll be looking at the transaction summary. Afterpay is a category leader in growing buy now, pay later market. Square will be integrating Afterpay into two of its existing ecosystems, strengthening the connections between its sellers and the Cash App ecosystem, unlocking many cross-sell opportunities within Afterpay. For the structure of this deal, Afterpay shareholders will receive a fixed exchange ratio of 0.37 shares of Square Cash A common stock for each Afterpay ordinary shares they hold on the record date. Square may elect to pay 1% of total consideration in cash. Total transaction value of this deal is 29 billion USD. That's roughly about Australian $39 billion. Once the transaction is completed, Afterpay to be integrated into both Square sellers and Cash App ecosystem. Afterpay's co-founders and co-CEOs Anthony and Nick will join the Square upon closing of this transaction. Square will also appoint one of Afterpay directors as a member of Square board of directors immediately following the close. How's this deal? I think expected to close. This deal is expected to go close around first quarter of calendar year 2022, subject to the satisfaction of the both company shareholders. Potential long-term growth synergies for both companies. For Afterpay, it gives access. Currently, we got about 60 million active users in Afterpay. They will have access to 70 million annual active users of Cash App customers. For Afterpay, they reach new Cash App audience in a global geographies. For Square, they'll add the Afterpay buy now, pay later software to the Cash App ecosystem. Afterpay consumers can receive the benefits of Cash App's ecosystem, including the stock brokerage, Bitcoin, Cash Card, Boost, taxes, and many more. That's for the consumers. For merchants, it gives the strength of Afterpay merchant base with millions of Square sellers, attract new sellers to Square, buy now, pay later as a new acquisition tool, introduce seller ecosystem to Afterpay merchants, grow Afterpay's presence with small to medium businesses, in-person commerce, and new verticals. Now we look at how Square and Afterpay are combining as a company. Afterpay will be integrated into sellers and Cash App, strengthening the connection between these ecosystems, helping drive more commerce between merchant and consumers. Afterpay will be integrated into Square's online and in-person checkout solutions, strengthening the Square's omni-channel platform. Afterpay will also be integrated into Cash App. Afterpay consumers will be able to manage their installments and repayments directly within Cash App, helping drive more repeated engagement. We see this already happening with a lot of online channels already, so this will give Cash App more of a benefit too. By combining both Cash App and Afterpay complements both consumers' ecosystem, creates opportunity to give Afterpay consumers access to Cash App broad suite of financial products and introduce Afterpay merchant to Cash App extensive consumer base. Overall, Square buying Afterpay gives Square the opportunity to enter fast-growing buy now, pay later market. For Afterpay, it gives access to Square's millions of merchants and 70 million plus consumers in the Cash App. As always, this is just general share advice. This is just my opinion on Square and Afterpay acquisition. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thank you and have a great day.